All right, wait. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. It's fucking hilarious. Man, those do take a while. That's fucking excellent, man.
Dude, that sounds just like a
What is that, it? Bunch of girls.
Another one?
Yeah, throwing another one. That thing looks badass.
Shoot it off that way.
Is that the fucking AK?
Yeah.
Shoot PJ right in the back.
That's so cool.
That thing's fucking badass, man. As it slowly sputters to death. There's like nothing.
Where did I start?
My god. We should have a minigun.
Where is it?
Ask Eric's got it right now.
Again?
Yeah, he's... Hey Eric! Well, how is my minigun doing anyway? Did you drill holes for it?
What?
My minigun?
No, I gotta. Well, you were gonna come down because we were gonna make the fucking.
I know. Just use your best judgment.